Have you been hitting the gym hard, following the best workout routines, and still not seeing the results you want? It's incredibly frustrating to put in all that effort, only to feel like your muscle growth is stalled. But here's the thing, you might be making some common mistakes that are holding you back from achieving the muscle gains you deserve. In today's video, we're going to uncover the biggest mistakes that stop muscle growth, and more importantly, we're going to teach you how to fix them. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge you need to take your muscle building journey to the next level. But first, here's a shocking fact that most gym goers don't realize. 80% of muscle growth happens outside the gym. That's right, while your muscles do grow when you're lifting weights, what you do in between your workouts matters just as much, if not more. So, if you're stuck in a rut and feeling like all that effort is for nothing, keep watching because the next few minutes might just change your entire approach to muscle growth. Mistake number 1. Not eating enough protein. One of the biggest mistakes that could be halting your muscle growth is not eating enough protein. Protein is the building block of muscle. Without it, your body simply can't build new muscle tissue. You might be training hard in the gym, but if your protein intake isn't up to par, your muscles won't recover or grow as efficiently as they should. Now, this doesn't mean you need to gulp down protein shakes every hour. It's more about being consistent and strategic. Aim for at least 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, and make sure you're spreading your intake throughout the day to optimize muscle protein synthesis. But here's the trick most people miss. Protein timing matters. Most people think they can eat a huge steak after a workout and expect muscle growth to skyrocket. The reality is, your body can only use so much protein in one sitting. Eating smaller, balanced meals throughout the day, particularly one around your workout window, will help maximize muscle gains. For example, a protein-packed breakfast with eggs or Greek yogurt could set the tone for a successful day of growth. Here's something that will change the way you look at your meals. If you want to grow muscle faster, it's not just about protein, it's about eating smarter. Did you know that combining carbs with protein increases muscle growth by 20%? Stick around because in the next few minutes, we'll dive deeper into how to use this strategy for explosive results. Mistake number 2. Overtraining and not allowing enough recovery. The second big mistake you might be making is overtraining. I know, no pain, no gain, right? But here's the truth. Overtraining can destroy your muscle building progress. When you hit the gym hard every day without allowing your muscles to recover properly, you're actually breaking them down more than they can repair. This leads to burnout, fatigue, and muscle breakdown, not muscle growth. Your muscles grow during recovery, not during the workout. This is why rest is just as important as training. Your body needs time to rebuild the muscle fibers you've torn during your intense sessions. It's during this recovery phase that your muscles repair and grow bigger and stronger. So, if you're the kind of person who thinks taking a rest day is slacking off, think again. In fact, rest days give your muscles the chance they need to repair, rebuild, and grow. A great rule of thumb is to give each muscle group at least 48 hours of rest before hitting it hard again. Wait, you're probably thinking, but how do I know if I'm overtraining? Here's the kicker. Signs of overtraining aren't always obvious, but we'll give you the exact red flags to watch for in just a minute. Mistake number 3. Neglecting compound movements. The third mistake holding you back from muscle growth is neglecting compound movements. These exercises target multiple muscle groups at once and are the cornerstone of any effective muscle building routine. If you're spending most of your time on isolation exercises, like bicep curls or leg extensions, you might be missing out on serious gains. Compound movements, like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups, should make up the majority of your workout. Not only do they help you build more muscle in less time, but they also stimulate the release of growth hormones, which are crucial for muscle growth. It's simple. If you're not doing compound exercises, you're leaving muscle growth on the table. These exercises are more efficient and help you target multiple muscles at once, which increases the overall volume and intensity of your workout. And guess what? This will lead to more muscle fibers being activated, which means more growth. If you're wondering why your arms aren't growing despite all those curls, the answer might surprise you. It's not about isolating muscles. It's about training them in unison. Stick around, because we're about to show you how to set up your workout routine the right way for maximum muscle building efficiency. Mistake number 4. Poor sleep and stress management. This next mistake is probably the most overlooked. Poor sleep and high stress levels. Now, you might be thinking, how does sleep affect my muscles? But hear me out. When you sleep, your body releases growth hormone, the same hormone that helps you grow muscle. If you're not getting quality sleep, your body won't be able to produce enough of this hormone, and muscle recovery will be impaired. But it's not just about the quantity of sleep, it's about quality. You need to be aiming for 7-9 hours of sleep each night, with at least 20% of that time spent in deep REM sleep, which is when muscle repair and growth occur. And stress, let's not forget about stress. Chronic stress releases cortisol, a hormone that can actually break down muscle tissue and hinder muscle growth. If you're constantly stressed about work, life, or personal matters, it's going to have a direct impact on your gains. Managing stress with relaxation techniques, meditation, or even light stretching can help reduce cortisol levels and promote better muscle recovery. Here's a powerful strategy you can start using today. By incorporating just 10 minutes of deep breathing exercises into your routine, you can drastically reduce stress and improve your sleep, leading to better muscle growth. Keep watching, and we'll show you exactly how to make this work for you. Mistake number 5. Not tracking progress or making adjustments. The fifth mistake is something many people ignore. Not tracking your progress or making adjustments when needed. It's easy to fall into the trap of doing the same exercises every week and expecting different results. But the truth is, your body adapts over time, and if you're not progressively overloading your muscles, they'll stop growing. Tracking your progress is essential. This doesn't mean you need to obsess over every set and representative, but keeping an eye on your strength gains, how much weight you're lifting, and your overall performance can help you spot areas where you need to push harder. And if your routine isn't challenging you anymore, it's time to mix it up. Increase the weight, change your representative ranges, or try new exercises to keep your muscles guessing. Want to know the secret to breaking through any plateau you're hitting in your training? It's all about making small, consistent changes to your workouts, and we'll tell you exactly how to do that without risking injury. Mistake number 6. Inconsistent training and lack of commitment. The final mistake is one that's easy to overlook but crucial for success. Inconsistent training and lack of commitment. Building muscle takes time, and the key is showing up consistently. If you're skipping workouts, cutting your sessions short, or not sticking to a schedule, your results are going to suffer. Muscle growth isn't a quick fix, it's a long-term commitment. To see real, lasting results, you need to train with consistency, intensity, and dedication. This doesn't mean you need to train every day, but it does mean you need to show up when you say you will and stay focused on your long-term goals. Remember, results come over time, and staying dedicated to your training will eventually pay off. Consistency is the key to making muscle growth a reality, and once you make it a priority, your gains will follow. So, there you have it. These are the biggest mistakes that are likely stopping your muscle growth. But now that you know what they are, you also have the tools to fix them and take your training to the next level. Let's recap quickly. Start focusing on your nutrition by getting enough protein and eating smarter. Give your muscles time to recover and rest, and make sure you're including compound movements in your routine. Don't underestimate the importance of quality sleep, stress management, and tracking your progress. And finally, commit to your training and make it a priority if you want to see the muscle growth you've been working so hard for. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing fitness tips and advice. Share your own muscle growth tips in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, keep lifting and keep growing.